days of the campaign when you basically saw all the staff and it's time to go to Des Moines, time to go to Cedar Rapids, and you try to win. You have to do very well now in order to beat that what I believe campaign by Bernie Sanders. She did herself very well last night. Once again, she was able to respond to all of the attacks and also take on the GOP frontrunner. So I think she's in the category too.